In just a couple of months, I've been able to get about 700 subscribers on my YouTube channel without having a big team or having a fancy YouTube studio setup. And all this is all thanks to consistency, smart decisions, and also utilizing the correct settings here on YouTube. Now, the truth is that in the very beginning, I was actually kind of invisible here on YouTube because no matter how hard I worked on my YouTube videos, those views were always getting stuck at about 40 views or 50 views. But fast forward to now, if you are to check my YouTube channel, you see that I have a lot of views that are having higher than 1,000 views. I even have some videos with about 3,000 views, and I have a video with 12,000 views now on my YouTube channel. And these are all thanks to the 5 hidden settings that I actually discovered and applied on my YouTube channel that led to an increase in my visibility. So on this video, I'm going to be revealing those 5 hidden settings so that you guys can also learn from me and apply it on your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is just stick to the end of this video, and I promise you it's going to be worth your time. And also, if you have any questions towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button to stay connected to my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. These 5 settings is something that a lot of creators do not pay attention to or even know exist here on YouTube. So lucky for you that is watching this video, you are going to learn these 5 powerful options, or rather settings, that is going to bring a tone to your YouTube channel. So if you are someone that is always getting views that is stuck all the time on YouTube, lucky for you, you are watching this video, because this video is actually going to change things on your channel, leading to better views, better recommendations, and you getting subscribers here on YouTube. So without wasting further of your time, let's dive in so I can start showing you guys these settings. Now, the first settings that you need to apply on your YouTube channel before I get to the other powerful settings is fixing your channel keywords, because trust me, this is going to increase the visibility of your channel, and apart from that, it's going to help YouTube to understand the right people that you should recommend your videos to, because once YouTube start recommending your videos to the right people, it's going to lead to an increase in your video performance. To set this up, simply go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, then click on settings, click on channel, and then you are going to see the basic info section. Now underneath this basic info section, you are going to see your keywords. Now all you have to do in here is add a lot of words that relate to the kind of video that you are uploading on your YouTube channel, and this is actually going to help the YouTube algorithm to better understand what your videos are about, because once it understands what your videos are about, it's going to be able to push your video to the right audience, and that is going to lead to better performance for your YouTube videos. Now when it comes to these words that you'll be adding in here, if you do not know the type of words to add in here, you can simply ask ChatGPT to give you a bunch of keywords for your YouTube channel, and it's going to provide you with that. Then all you have to do is just copy it, impute it in there, and then click on save to apply changes. The second settings is your upload default. Now this actually gives creators the ability to add informations like hashtags and keywords that will always appear on each and every new videos that they are uploading on their YouTube channel. Now to set this up is quite easy. All you need to do is just go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, and then you click on settings. Once you click on settings, click on upload default, and it's going to bring you to this section. Now all you have to do is just impute a lot of keywords, or rather hashtags, that you want to always appear on all your videos. And this is actually good for SEO, so that whenever you forget to optimize your videos, these hashtags and keywords that you have already placed in there will always appear, and also help to boost your video optimization, so that your video is going to perform well whenever you upload here on YouTube. The third settings is your channel trailer. Now this is actually the first video that any new viewer is going to see on your YouTube channel, because like I say a lot of times, first impression matters a lot. So you can actually use this as a golden opportunity to hook your new viewers and turn them into subscribers by putting your best performing videos there as your trailer video. Now in order for you to get this done, it's quite simple. Just go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, click on customization, and then click on home tab. Once you click on that, you are going to see this ad section. So click on it. Once you click on that, you'll be presented with a lot of options like your channel trailer, your spotlights, and stuff like that. But we're only interested in your trailer and your spotlights on this video. So the spotlight has to do with the videos that your returning viewers and your returning subscribers are going to see for the second time on your YouTube channel. So you have to click on the trailer first, and then once you've clicked on that, put your best performing videos in there, and then once you've done that, click on spotlights, and then put your second performing video in there, so that whenever people are coming to your channel, what they are going to be seeing will be your best performing videos, and before you know it, they will just feel like, okay, let me subscribe to this channel, Because if you are to take my channel for example, whenever you come to my channel for the first time, you are not going to see a video that is having 100 views or 200 views. What you are going to see on my channel are videos that are having like 2,000 views, 3,000 views, 11,000 views. So that's what I'm saying. So whenever new viewers are actually seeing this on my channel, before you know it, they will just feel like, let me subscribe to this channel. This guy know what he's doing. But if they are to come to my channel and they are seeing just 100 views, 200 views for the first time, there will actually be a lesser chance that they are going to subscribe to my channel. So make sure to go and get this done. And before I actually forget, once you've actually done this on your YouTube channel, click on publish at the top, because if you do not click on publish, it's not going to apply changes. Another trick that you can actually use to get the algorithm to push your videos is by encouraging your viewers to always drop their questions or drop a comment on your YouTube videos and telling them that you are actually going to reply immediately once you see it. If you watch any of my video, you see that I always do this at the beginning of my video. And this is important because engagement actually matters a lot here on YouTube. And once the algorithm observe that there is any engagement on your YouTube video, most of the time it's going to push it to a wider audience. So make sure you do not overlook these new settings that I'm just telling you, or rather this new trick that I'm just telling you guys about. The fifth trick helps to get much more subscribers on YouTube. Now to set this up, simply go to your YouTube Studio dashboard and then click on customization. Once you've done that, just make sure you are under the profile section and keep scrolling down till you see the video watermark section. Now what you are going to do in here is that you have to upload a subscribe button image. So once you've uploaded this image, just make sure that this image is going to be showing from the beginning of your video to the ending of your video that you're uploading on your YouTube channel. And what this is actually going to do is that this is going to serve as a permanent call to action on each and every one of your video, because when people are now watching your video, they are going to be seeing that subscribe button watermark, and that's actually going to be making them to remember that okay, they haven't subscribed to your channel, and before you know it, to subscribe to your channel. So make sure you don't actually overlook this trick, because it's quite a powerful trick. Because if you're a small creator out there, the one thing you are going to lack is subscribers, and when your viewers are watching your video, they will mostly forget to subscribe because you have low followers. But if you have this watermark on your YouTube channel, it's going to be remembering these people that okay, you should subscribe to your YouTube channel, and it's definitely going to help you to get much more subscribers here on YouTube. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you'll be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because you know we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.